Today, we're turning your voice into something super fun.
We're going to make it sound like a minion.
Let's jump in. Start by importing your clip into the timeline. Once it's on the timeline, tap on the audio layer connected to your video. Now, go to the bottom toolbar and tap on Audio Effects. From here, head into the Voice Effects section and look under the Voice Characters category. Scroll until you find a fun, high-pitched option. Chipmunk is usually a great starting point. Tap on it to apply. Next, play around with the pitch and timbre sliders to fine-tune the sound. Increasing the pitch and adjusting the timbre can really help you get that classic Minion-style voice. Additionally, you can also try the Squirrel effect. It has a similar tone, and with a bit of slider tweaking, it might even sound closer to what you're going for.
Just experiment until you get the perfect minion vibe, and that's it. With just a few taps, you've got a hilarious minion voice in your video.
If you found this helpful, give the video a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun CapCut Mobile tutorials.